In this video, I'll show you how to check Wi-Fi password. Ensure you subscribe to this channel and turn on the bell notification for lots of educational guidance and content like this. You can see my system is currently not connected to the internet, right? And I'm going to show you how you can check the Wi-Fi password, right? So click on this. If you click on this option, you're going to see lots of available Wi-Fi password, right? So you can see this, right? So click on this. Once I've clicked on this, you're going to click on this connect, and they're going to ask us to enter the network security key, that is our password. So I can just come on here, I'll type our password, right? So yeah, I just typed in our password. And if you love to check the Wi-Fi password, you're going to just click, you see this eye icon right here, right? This eye icon right here, just click on it. Once I've clicked on it, you're going to see the password, right, of this Wi-Fi. So I don't think I'm going to click on it. So once I don't, just click on disconnect, and yeah, that is how things would work out. So you can see I'm connected and this Wi-Fi is secured, right? If you found this video helpful, share that below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I'll see you on the very next one.